Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to upload reels in your Facebook account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Facebook account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. At the top, you can see different options. Go to the option Reels, tap on that. Now tap on Create Reel. Now here you can record the video so that you can upload as a reel, or also you can choose from your gallery. Here I will be choosing from my gallery. Tap on bottom left corner. Now here I will be choosing this video. Now you can add some audio or also edit this video. Here I will be adding some audio. Here I will be choosing this music. Now after you are done, tap on done at the top right corner. Now tap on next. Now here you can add some description or also you can change your audience if you want to. After you are done, you have to tap on share reel at the bottom. Now it is in the process to be uploaded. Wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, your reel will be uploaded to your Facebook account. In this way, you can easily upload your reels in your Facebook account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.